In this video, we'll show you how to unpack your Thermo TSU series Undercounter refrigerator and set it up in your lab. When you receive your refrigerator, cut the straps fastening the box to the pallet and lift the box off of the refrigerator. Then, remove the 2 bolts securing the refrigerator to the pallet and remove the unit from the pallet. Make sure that at least 2 people lift and remove the unit. You'll find the user manual and quick reference guide inside the refrigerator and the power cord secured to the back. TSU series TSU 405 models are available with a glass or solid door. A 15mm access port for an independent probe is available on the back of the refrigerator, along with terminals for an alarm. The serial and model numbers are located on the side of the unit. You'll see a tag that says NSF 456. This is because the TSU series TSU 405 models are certified to meet the NSF 456 standards for vaccine storage. The recommended temperature set point for NSF 456 vaccine refrigerators is 5 degrees Celsius, which is the factory set point temperature of the TSU series Undercounter refrigerators. It's important to note that changing the set point or any service parameters of your refrigerator may affect its ability to meet the standard. You can find more information about this certification at thermofisher.com/vaccine storage. Now, let's find the right place for your refrigerator. For the purposes of this video, we're placing the unit on the benchtop, but this model is designed to be located under the counter. Use a location that allows for at least 4 inches of clearance on the sides and back. The power cord is 5 feet long, so make sure there is an outlet within that distance, and that the outlet provides the correct power. We've already removed most of the packaging, but we will still need to remove the protective PVC film. Your refrigerator is thoroughly cleaned before it arrives. However, we recommend wiping down the interior using a cloth dampened with 70% isopropyl alcohol or cleaning products recommended in the user manual. Next, let's adjust the feet to make sure the refrigerator is level. Once the refrigerator is level, install the shelves. They're packaged inside the refrigerator. First, position the shelf clips. Insert them into the slots and turn 90 degrees to lock them in place. Then, insert the shelves. You can adjust the shelf spacing to meet your requirements. The refrigerator door comes standard with a hinge on the right and the handle on the left. If you need to reverse the direction of the door swing, you must remove the hinge cover to access the hinge assembly. You'll also need to remove the door, rotate it 180 degrees, disassemble the hinge and handle components, and move them to the other side. These steps require additional tools, but no additional parts. Contact your Thermo Fisher Scientific lab equipment sales representative to get more details about reversing the door. We're ready to power up the refrigerator. Locate the battery switch on the back and set it to the I position, the indicator on the left. Then connect the power cord to your power outlet. You'll see standby appear on the display, which means that the main power is being supplied. Press and hold any button on the display for about 2 seconds to power up the refrigerator. We recommend that you allow the temperature to stabilize for 24 hours before loading your refrigerator. Another consideration is whether you'll be monitoring the temperature using an independent probe. We recommend connecting this equipment before loading the refrigerator. The exterior access port for the probe is located on the rear panel of the refrigerator. Remove the caps from the inside and outside of the access port. Then enlarge the hole with a screwdriver. Now, feed the external sensor from the inside to the outside. You can position the sensor anywhere within the usable space for vaccine storage. Then, seal the hole around the monitoring device cord with insulating material. By taking these important unpacking, inspecting, and assembly steps, you're ready to load your Thermo Scientific TSU series Undercounter refrigerator. Thank you for watching. Visit thermofisher.com/TSU to learn more.